I left, Alex?
Who you that left? Where's it, Jayden? Who you that left?
Annie.
Huh?
Him and a girl left. You know, I'm glad to see the girl coming in my inbox and say, Jayden, it was all about you. I go show him.
I lie, y'all tell no she
lie.
Yeah, for real. Me never got to. You don't know why.
Why usually you want to make sure that with Alex? That's crazy.
You don't know why she text me. I don't know. So me love loud up things.
Ah, you have to post a text, man.
No, after me not get nothing yet.
Oh, but you now getting no. You can't tell we.
How you know that?
Now you none.
So then this year go Annie. What do you teeth?
No, me have to go doctor first. After me go doctor, next me can go dentist. Me have to go for medication first.
I only am talk boy.
Well, I mean, you stress over yourself, you know, man. Blood clot, man.
No, man, me not stress, man. Me just do necessary. Me not stress.
Anyway, then me not cut you, me not cut Jayden. But what? Jayden, no matter how much fuck you fuck, me never say with what you get. How are you cocking a wood?
No, me sign paper. No icky, no videoing, none of that.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
So you don't have no icky? Oh, you have icky? You will make Jabba put in think mode, man.
Hi. Hi, sweetie. What's up? Enough love. My baby.
Me can have our passport.
Yeah.
Alex can have our passport.
So Alex and me, Kabu, you just asked me about TT. Me I find out about her.
So them the way I go left. Them people the way I go left. So where I go put them, Annie?
Who that? TT?
No, where I go put them who on a passport?
I don't know. You don't know, you know.
Can't put them in
big
a home.
people, them have to know themselves.
Can't put them in a homes until, you know?
Until we come back.
Yeah, until we come back.
Alright, I'm not sure we can collect them. But me know a passport a simple thing, we can do it fast.
Thank you, baby. Yeah, passport.
Yeah, do you the passport? Do you the passport?
Anyway, I got Panama.
Hey, this time was Joey, make me smile this morning. Hey, doctor, come. Zoe.
God,
Alright, may I come? Jay.
Jayden, him they tell me say sexy too, you know, and him want come tell us say sexy.
Hey.
Annie,
What go on?
Nah, it's a boy, and I call it a boy as a sit, you know.
after me read it.
Come, no, don't do that.
Tonight, but yes,
Don't
no
do
chance
that.
party. Me have to get
Not
cigarette
check in with the doctor, me
24/7.
soon come here.
24/7, me have to get cigarette pussy.
Not check in.
Yeah?
24/7,
with the
me have to
doctor,
get
me
cigarette
soon come.
anyway.
So give somebody phone.
Yeah. Give me a car. Or anybody.
Zozo, take your phone.
Just forward on, forward on the screen.
Zoe, I thought we can't start certain arguments with Zoe, man.
No, me not get your phone, me I go call the other one. Just give me a minute.
Oh.
Don't say nothing. You know better, D. You know.
Forward up, man.
Don't get Jagga phone, because we don't rate Jagga.
Yeah, when I really rate that boy there, you know.
You know, boy, they love watch Pum Pum and so. Zoe, where next one there?
Zo.
Hi, D.
Hi, baby.
So, as you was saying, 1 + 1 is how much?
Zoe, 1 + 1 is how much, baby?
2.
Where's about 3? No, me not talk about no school, you know. Where Mika there, where Jagga there. You want to talk about some dirty something. The Jagga phone.
Check forward up. Jayden, probably got the BBL.
Oh, arm tear, man, arm tear.
Some boy art bust going on.
Jayden.
Eh?
Jaga, Jayden say him don't like you. And him say he's a womanizer. And him say he's not so jealous because jealous keep them woman calm. Him say you're not jealous and enough to keep two woman one time. And me tell him, as me see you, me attack.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Oh, so you're not going to stay then?
I Jaga do a bleach out in bumbo clad face.
Eh?
And you can't just, you know.
You can't do
How
it.
many you talk about today?
What do you see, man, put white socks in a kicker?
Kickers.
Yeah.
You go with me white pants. Move and go.
Which white pants?
No tag, no papa fight now. You know, say no tag, no papa.
Yo, guys, if you don't want the baddest boot, wanna check me out. Don't check out Nicky.
That's all I say.
So no not forward Friday.
From me post here, everybody want to clap. Everybody want to one clap.
No, we're not for Friday, the next Friday.
Yeah, next Friday. We don't want to come on. Tell him.
Yeah, we two come on out.
We are breezy end.
Yo, watch it now.
No forward
Tell us.
boot.
Yeah, I sell kill shoes now. I sell kill shoes.
Watch it now, Jagger.
Go look better than you, Jayden.
Eh?
Next Friday where we are
I don't want to
going.
see that. I don't
I
want
would mean I'm a bet you don't look better than me.
to see that face off it. Jaga versus Jayden.
Yes, Maddy.
So that is
Follow
also.
in the chat. Big up for you, follow. Hear that?
So Zoe,
You know what this your nippy and I hear Jaga say you don't nobody.
Everybody, Jayden knows
so
some clean.
Zoe. When was the first time Christopher Columbus come to Jamaica?
1968.
No, nothing on the brother. Are you wrong? You're wrong, brother.
When the slavery abolished, not if actor, when slavery abolished.
All right, Zoe. When TJ start losing ear?
Just bad.
Oh,
Andre?
you're just bad with it. You're not gonna
All
do
who
that.
want sneakers and can visit my Instagram page kicks_by_nippy. You can see everything about everything over there, so. I'm respond to Jayden Footman. All I see my time. If you want to look at time, look good at the club, I'm me. Just him, 822. Me.
True, another. Me. Well, so all you just me and me need that.
That's okay, say. When I say couldn't rank with me, we are talking about everybody else and can't rank with me. Something mad too.
How does all of that, sir?
Zuma feel I want this like Zuma already man. Child.
The clock stuff, man. The dog said some bad move, but I'm not lie. You feel like that boy have to be think for the dog play.
This a boost when I am run for way for hours a night I come in. Hours a night, man, sleep when I come in. I make hard, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like the thing them tough, man. Yeah.
The thing them tough too, man. Yo, it's tough.
All the clients are supposed to dirty, you know, true.
What's up, baby? TT Wagwan, TT.
They have Adidas Samba. They have Adidas
TT, come
Samba.
here. TT, your passport.
No, man.
This is not located at St. Bess. Kingston, Mr. Ready.
I'm not run down, man, I no passport.
Chip you with the zip mail. And them there. I'm fine too. Anyway.
Jagger, your passport.
Yeah, my Instagram page is kicks_by_nippy.
So how you know the passport, TT?
Instagram
Yeah,
name
me go back here.
You know I say, if you do that,
Thanks for follow. Thanks for follow, chat. Thanks for follow. Instagram name buy a chat.
TT.
yeah.
You can go view the page of Instagram. And follow the page.
You can't turn right this.
Moderator, pin my Instagram name, my business page.
Yo, make your girl talk to me now, you. I want you.
I'm sorry about that.
Jayden.
After Jayden, you know, have to talk.
Ocha.
25,000 Timberland.
Jayden.
Oh,
That's
can't
what-
pin.
I saw the boy shoot me in a public. I didn't type of relationship they like.
But man, me no want to show it off for me, no, because me not show it off for no man.
Yeah! Talk to him.
Anyways, as I said, I did look both in and I didn't because I didn't have the money to do it.
When you talk to him, you're looking at his face. And tell him, say, don't shout off for you.
What kind of kicks? Kickers? Platform of 17,000.
Not thank you for the rewards.
Don't make it then.
School. Let's say now come. The Sharon call the mother.
When the Shamika Alex and this girl.
Not going to school. Let me phone.
And she not have her phone for now. No, we don't
Go by herself, bro. I'm tired to tell you, bro. Nobody knows.
Elino, come like grandfather for your family, you hear him?
So what should I do?
See page here. See page here.
Titi, what's Chanel there?
See page here.
Back on me. That's gonna come in.
I show the Jayden now. So Jayden, grade him chat. Rate him just in. Rate him just in the chat. Rate him. Dog full of blood clot like some fuck. Rate in the chat. Or dog look. Rate him there.
Mish, man. Mish out. That clean.
Grills.
It that clean.
Somebody said show that ten. Somebody said show that ten. Somebody say
Jayden, man, got me just remember something. Jayden.
What that?
Come in us Italian. Panama screen record I say. That tattoo, yeah? You see it?
yeah, I see a beer man every time. The man juggle every time and this thing.
Tell him to go suck out his woman. I come on. Nobody don't buy him.
Oh.
Somebody say 100 out of 10.
E.T.
I pay 5 1 you never give him over here.
No, you can't give him 3. You can't give general 3. That's clean in real life, true. You can't give that 3.
E.T. what go on?
Including money look good.
You can't give that 3. I'm not biased. Somebody say 1 million out of 10. 1 million.
You're not done with that relationship there.
Yeah, clean man.
Me no want to talk about that.
You would have want to show no me rare party.
What are you?
Me or Jayden look better. You don't want to show no me rare.
You're good?
I need to update the phone.
Whenever that you tell me last night.
Update.
People start look stressed.
But man, me try to hold my composure and I'm my own fucking business and try to piss me off.
Peter. Jayden, they say 2 clocks inside your foot.
Nippy,
Me man one blood clot and this man try to fucking piss me off.
You want to piss you off?
You know, so from yesterday till now, me try to avoid problem. And it's come like every time I turn a problem. There's no peace. Me try to make peace when in my fucking head and it not work.
So why not game bun?
And right now, God, me hold my tongue.
no talk, man, no talk. Come on, take care, man. You listen about me. Remember, Kayo?
The queen I wish back.
That me I say, you mad?
sorry.
No boy can't lick teeth in your back. You mad? What's you want teeth do something?
Nobody mad at me, you know.
That me I say, no boy can't do that.
Don't tell me, mama.
You mad?
All right, Titi.
Which boy can't do that?
Bad people in my family.
Oh, better know that.
Oh, I pay bad people in your family.
One man in the car, no man can put their hand palm.
Oh, they better know that.
25,000.
And we just tell that Titi not tell the man.
But me don't tell him from day one, so no man can put their hand palm me.
Oh,
The last man who said that an accident he meet, you know.
them better know that.
Peter does attack, man. Does attack.
Like Titi, where say man meet an accident? Where though?
Oh, be a
I don't
man.
do nothing at all, but you see my God when me serve.
Yeah, you serve got
You
it?
see anytime me start cry,
Oh, them better know that.
Are you church got it?
yeah, watch and defend them, you hear?
You know TT we start thing run and run back and start lick out some boy face, you know. Me know that. But you know about TT. I like TT.
You got Titi fully dark right now, you know?
Oh, they better know that.
Bro.
Auntie.
Hi, auntie. Come on, take camera,
The
auntie.
last of November, bro, I'm not afraid of nobody.
That me notice with you. You not afraid of no boy.
Me ignorant, me too easy to get ignorant.
And
Me
that-
So you know Titi, the boy not care same way, Titi?
Huh?
The boy not care same way?
Him must go and talk to him, mother.
No, that's why you talk to me.
how you get so bad?
Me talk as loud as me can, cause me not
Call
afraid.
him like her. Call him like her.
Call me like here and chat some man.
Me can, cause me not afraid.
What you
And
know,
them hear me
TT?
too.
TT, you have to make your boy know saying afraid of no boy.
But from there when you shoot a just me not afraid of him.
Cause no man not to beat no woman and them thing they are mad. Take up which hand off fire. We are laughing. We are laughing.
Watch out, watch out, but one more.
The blood clot jagger in the car, that's why Titi and one son, no?
What you got there? Yeah.
Wait. So if I go watch your man screw the car and body him up. Okay, get it.
No. Me talk as loud as me can. Just me talk loud. Me loud. And me talk in them face too.
So,
Me too humble for people that piss me off.
True.
I'm in a troublesome. I'm in a problem.
But Titi, she not trouble you too?
tell her before this. So, I was trying to.
I'm like bully. If you bully me, I go fuck you up.
I want Chanel do you come here.
Oh, so she la bully you. She la bully you.
When there? Chanel there? In the back of the car? Talk
Chanel,
loud,
Chanel.
make your ear, girl. Afraid? Talk loud. Talk now? So you not talk now.
He talk.
Hey, God. I'm not afraid
We
of
are laughing.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to talk neither.
You free to talk?
They can do a chat and dashboard, so I'm not afraid.
So what that short?
Because, Lord, let me want my tongue.
Man, Chanel grab her now.
Chanel, bad guy, no Titi, we licking your back, you know? Chanel, Titi, Chanel, we licking your back, no say nothing, you know? Me want you.
Titi. Talk it true, they feel that shit on too.
You afraid, man?
Bumbo clad.
Oh, you afraid of that, Morgan?
No. Yeah, me not answer you a while ago.
Jayden,
Nobody
don't
answer
you dare,
them.
Jayden, don't you dare, Jayden.
Me not answer him a while ago. Look for me good.
You afraid of the girl?
You afraid of her?
Titi, if you're not afraid of Chanel, say something wicked now, that you're bad girl. Say
But no
something
girl,
wicked.
no boy can beat me. What you talk about?
Ben better know that.
Say Chanel ain't ready. Say Chanel ain't
No,
ready.
Chanel say, you want ensure.
You know, stop them. Something.
Say Chanel ain't ready.
Titi, turn around and look back at you and say, hey, you want some ensure now. Tell him.
Wanna stop
Tell
doing
him
it? Me not do it. Cause me not. And say me a pick for nobody.
No, sir. And give me the go ahead and say, yo, do your thing.
And you got Titi afraid of everybody in her family.
What? Tell us something, but as me love my life.